Good afternoon. Welcome to another episode of Unlocking Medicare with Tyrone Carr, with your host, Tyrone Carr. Today, we're going to talk about Medicare Part B cost, what you are responsible for paying for Part B. Now, your Part B is a reflection of what you show in income, not based upon 2022, but what 2 years prior to retiring. So, being that's 2022, your Part B premium, we're going to look at what your income showed in 2020. So if you file your taxes as an individual or if you're joint married, we're going to look at both incomes combined. So if your individual tax return is $91,000 or less, your Part B premium is going to be $170.10. Now, if you're collecting a Social Security check, that premium is deducted automatically per month directly out of your Social Security check. Now, if you're filing joint, it's based upon your total income between the two, which is $182,000. That premium would be per individual if, in fact, the both of you are on Medicare. Now, if you're not collecting a Social Security check, they obviously can't take something out of a Social Security check that you're not collecting if you decide to defer that to a later time and date. They would then send you a bill per quarter in which you would pay that Part B premium. Now you'll see the form in front of you on the screen. Based upon what your income filing is, individual or joint, you look over to the far right and that would be the determination of what your Part B premium would be on a monthly basis. Now, here's something I want to share with you that people often make a mistake in my experience. This is why we're trying to provide you as much education into Medicare so that way you don't fall within those pitfalls. Now, an example would be a recent client that was referred to us, and their income based upon 2022 is significantly higher than what it is in 2022. Reason being, the wife sold her business, so they took some large lump sum payouts. So their income was actually greater than the highest threshold, the $750,000. So that put them in Part B premium for the both of them, $578.30, as you can see on the screen. Now, a lot of people will make the mistake of waiting 2 years later until eventually the Social Security sees your filing and shows that your income is less. Now, don't make that mistake. There's a form that you can get from the Social Security's office right online, and that form is called SSA-44. So if you have an adjustment in your income from 2020 to 2022, you can file this form. It's called the Medicare Income Related Monthly Adjustment Amount Life-Changing Event. So if you have, for example, a divorce, an annulment, you lost your job, you retired, just some examples. You can fill this form, submit to the Social Security's office, and it will take up to 90 days. In some cases, a lot quicker, but it can take up to 90 days, and they will adjust your Part B premium as a reflection of what your income is today versus what it was 2 years ago. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call. So thank you for watching this episode of Unlocking Medicare with Tyrone Carr. Thank you. Thank you for checking our podcast today. We appreciate you, and please check out our website. We have future dates and times for our Medicare 101 seminars throughout the Metro Detroit area. So please check us out. Come meet us in person. Look forward to meeting you in person. And again, tune into our next week's podcast as we dive deeper into Medicare. Thank you. Have a great day.